So I picked up this Nucleus hive last night. These are Italian bees. When I got the nuke home, I set the nuke on top of the hive that I plan on installing them in, with the entrance oriented in the same direction. Then I opened the hive up and I let it sit overnight. So now this Nucleus hive has been open all day long. And essentially I've just reoriented the bees to their new home so they know where to come back to. So now what I'm going to do is take the frames out of the Nucleus hive and install them into the permanent beehive. So in my hive I've already got some frames with drawn out comb on them. That way this hive will grow a little bit faster rather than having to start over completely from scratch and draw out comb. I also have a couple of frames with some honey on them, some capped off honey. That will help to give this new hive kind of a jump start. See, they've got pretty good store honey on there. A little bit of pollen capped off. I'm going to take this one frame out on the end to give me some room so that way I don't roll too many of the bees and possibly the queen while I'm installing these frames. Of course, rolling the bees is when you're putting frames down in and you're smashing bees on the way down. Another good looking frame there. It's got some good brood. You can see a good brood pattern in there. The queen's definitely laying a good pattern. I'm just going to leave this with a single brood box for now, for probably a week or two, since this is a small hive. They don't need a whole lot of room yet. I'll give them a week or so to kind of build up, and then I'll add another brood box to the top. I'm also going to leave this entrance blocker here. It makes the entrance smaller, again because it's a small hive. The smaller area they have to defend to keep my other hives from robbing them, the better. So I'll leave this entrance reducer on there for 2 or 3 weeks until they kind of build up their numbers.